Hey guys, thanks for tuning into another one of my videos. I know there's about 1 billion videos out there on YouTube that you could be watching, and for some reason you chose this one. But in this video, I'm going to cover probably the neatest upgrade that you could do to your RV, whether it be an old one or a new one, and that's put in some USB plugs for charging up phones. But anyway, please like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate everybody's support of the channel. I will put links to everything I'm using in the video, Amazon links in the description down below. But I think this is going to be about the best USB plug that I have found available. You see here in Colorado, we had a bunch of snow last night. Rufus Arcali is really liking the snow. Looks like the solar panels have slowly melting off here, the snow sliding off, and then down side of my garage. But right now, to charge the phone, I'm plugging off of my inverter or shore power 115 volt socket, going into, everybody's got one of these, transformer of some sort, and then going into my cord. So I'm going from, in this case I have 600 amp hours of Battle-Born batteries. Check out my previous video and all the solar I did on it, on the camper. So I'm literally, to make a phone charge, I'm going from 12 volts DC to an inverter, creating 115 volts when I have the inverter on or plugged into shore power, coming into my wall socket, and then taking this transformer and taking my USB plug back down to 5 volts. So it's a roundabout way of doing it to charge a phone or a tablet. So I picked up these little USB plugs. You just drill a hole, stick them in, and they have like a big nut that goes on the back, and the leads right here plug onto the back, positive and negative, goes to 12 volts, which I have all my power underneath this bed, and I have my bus bars over there on the right side, and I'll just tap into that and I'll have real nice touch USB, so you could turn them off and on with a power button. So I'll put a full link in the description. I got these on Amazon. They were like $11. I have one for this side, one for the other, because we usually use this little shelf here at night when we're camping to set our phones on and charge them overnight, or our tablets. So I have one there, and I'm going to install one over on this side. Here's the lid up on the bottom of my bed where the plug's going to go. And you can see all my power, my MPPT charge controller, all the good stuff. And then there's my bus bars over there on the right. So I'll just come in through this thin Luan plywood, I guess is what they call it. And I'm just going to put the plug like right here where it's easy to get to. And that should do it. And then I'll just wire over to my bus bars, and that should take care of it. This is going to be an easy project. On my positive and negative bus, I have some extra lug terminals here that I have, so I could take the positives from the USB connectors right in the top of this, and then just tighten the screw down. And then below here, when I take the cover off, I have one down here for my negative side. So what I need to do, and this is nice too, that this has an inline fuse on USB connectors. And I'll just take and whack off probably part of this round lug and just stick it in the top of this, screw it down, put the negative there, and I'm fired up. On the other side, I came up a little bit short, so I need to extend the leads over another 1.5 feet or so, and that'll tap the driver's side USB connector. I have the positive and negative connected. There's my positive into my lug, and then I got the negative connected, and they're powered up. Check this out. This is really cool. See that? Try to get it stable here, and it actually has touch power, so you turn it off, touch it, goes on. So this is really nice. Got it plugged in here. It's gonna be a nice little glow to it. So it'll be like a night light down here. Let's get my electric blanket plugged in here again. So these are the WAGO connectors, W-A-G-O, and I'll put the link to Amazon in the description, W-A-G-O. These things are fantastic. So all you do is you flip up the lever. I showed these in my last video when I was doing the lighting. Something like that, and then clip down the connector and you're good to go. And then if you ever need to remove it, just lift up the lever, pull the wire out. So that's how I'm going to connect this to the main power. So let's go check out the USB plug in my center console here. And lift up the cover and you could see it down in there. Has a nice blue glow to it, so you can find the plug at night. And sitting here in my new reclining chairs. This is on the next video, but anyway, plug in my USB. And I'm charging up the phone. Pretty cool. So I got USB in the center console, so I can take my phone, put it in here, leave it in the cup holder. But what's really cool is the little blue light, and then I can turn the plug off just by touching it, like I showed you earlier. But yeah, working out really well. This is about the best plug that I've found for adding to an RV or even a boat application, marine. I think I'm going to wrap it up, and please like, share, and subscribe. Pushing to 1,000 subscribers. When I hit 1,000, the 1,000 subscriber, I'm going to do some kind of special thing as an award. But that's it. Let's wrap it up.